Hello my friend, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Facebook groups to make more affiliate sales. Now this is a great time of the year to be making affiliate sales around the holidays. More people are actually looking for those products, those services that are actually going to help them, or the products that are going to actually be able to be given as gifts as well. So whatever those things are that you're using as an affiliate product, you can actually sell more of those in your Facebook groups, and I'm going to show you actually how to do that in this video. And if you stick around to the end, I've got a bonus tip for you that's going to help you to generate more leads and sales and signups for your business. So let's jump into this right now. Stick around. All right, my friend, hey, thanks for sticking around. Bob Brown here. If you are an active subscriber, I want to say thanks. Welcome back. If you are new to my channel, this is maybe your first time watching one of my videos, I really appreciate you stopping by here, watching my videos. It does mean a lot to me, so thank you for that. If you're a network marketer, online marketer, looking for the tips, the tools, and the training to leverage social media to build your online business and to create passive income for yourself on a regular basis, then you're in the right place. And so if you want more videos like this, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, click on the bell notification. That way you're going to get new videos, or you're going to get the notification every time I put out new videos, and be able to build your business online with that. If you're looking for passive income, we talk about that here on this channel as well. And so passive income is one of those things where you're actually earning money, whether you're hanging out with your friends, you're on vacation, no matter what you're doing, you're going to actually be putting money in your bank account. And so that's what passive income is all about. If you want to see what my passive income money making machine is, I've got a link below this video. You can see what I'm using to actually create passive income for myself on a regular basis. So let's go ahead and jump into this. I've talked about how you're going to actually make more affiliate sales in Facebook groups. And so let's go ahead and jump into this. So first of all, as we start out with, affiliate marketing is a great way to earn some extra income. It's one of the easiest ways to start earning income online, but you can also make a full-time income out of this particular model if you actually are doing it effectively. And so the following are important points that you need to know if you want to actually learn more about affiliate marketing. For some of you, this may be very new to you. You don't really know what affiliate marketing is. Well, affiliate marketing is really a form of marketing where you actually earn commissions for selling somebody else's products or services. Okay, so you find a good product or a service that you actually share with other people, and when they purchase that product or that service, you actually earn a commission from that. That's what affiliate marketing is all about. And this takes place in all different forms and actually businesses. And so there's different models out there, and it even moves off into the networking marketing space as well, because a lot of network marketing companies are built on products. And so if you're selling those products, you're actually going to earn a commission. A little bit different because of the structure and way you get paid on that, and the people that are actually usually underneath you, and you earn tiered commissions from that as well. But in a sense, it's still affiliate commissions because you're selling somebody else's product and you're making a commission on it. So that's what affiliate commissions are all about. Again, you want to find a product or service that really fits with your niche, or something that you're really passionate about. Because if you're not passionate about what you're sharing, what you're selling, then the chances are you're not going to sell that product. You know, the same is true, you know, if you go out to dinner and you go to a great restaurant and you're really excited about the food's good, the service is good, what do? Naturally, you tell other people about it. Why? Because you're passionate about either the product that you got or the service that you got from that, and you want to share it with other people. Well, the same is true with affiliate marketing, and you want to have a product that is a good product that you can feel confident about sharing that with somebody else, and that's going to be a benefit or help to them, or just be a blessing to them. So finding that right product is an important part of affiliate marketing. Okay, you also want to find a product that's actually going to sell. So just because you're passionate about something doesn't mean it's going to sell. So you actually want to see that that product has a proven process to sell, and so that's really important as well. So you want to do some research on that if you're actually going to sell a product. So learn to promote your product using effective promotion strategies. Now there's a whole bunch of different ways that you can actually promote your products online. You can do videos, you can do blogs, podcasts, you know, social media is a huge way. And I think this is why, you know, people are doing so well with affiliate marketing nowadays, because of the social media and the ability to be able to use the different platforms to be able to share their affiliate products with. And then, you know, there's just a lot more ways to do that. Well, in this video, we're going to talk about one of those examples, in the example of using a Facebook group or Facebook groups to actually create a new warm market to be able to market your products to those people. So the goal in creating these new warm markets is, again, you want to be able to have people that you can actually talk to. And typically, as you're bringing people in to this warm market. Again, it's a warm market. It's not a cold market. You've gotten to know them. You build some relationship with them. They know you. They like you. They trust you. And so the chances of them doing business are going to be much greater for that. So that's either with network marketing or affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is great where you still have to warm people up. And they usually say it takes, 7 to 10 touches, that personal touch with somebody before they actually do business with you. And so you're actually having to put, that personal touch and meet people, talk to people, build that relationship before somebody's actually going to do business with you. So that's real important to be able to build that relationship. Now, why we're talking about using Facebook. Using Facebook to promote your affiliate products or your network marketing products, there's a main reason for that is because there's the platform's got over 2.2 billion people that are on it. They're monthly active subscribers that are on Facebook. And so, again, we have to remember something that's very important, that Facebook is a social community. And so people are not necessarily going there to be sold, okay? And people don't like to be sold. But if you're doing it in a way that you're actually sharing with them something that they're actually looking for, they're needing, then you're not actually selling them. And so that's why it has to be done correctly. And so you need to make sure that when you're doing your marketing on Facebook, Facebook groups, Instagram, doesn't matter where you are, what social media platform it is, you're doing it the right way. And so that's an important step in this process, is doing your social media marketing the right way. So what I'm going to share with you right now is 5 strategy tips that are going to help you to get more leads, some more sales, signups for your business. So step number 1 is that you want to build an audience of followers. Now, it's important that you know who your target audience is, or who your target market is, as you're building this audience. And so what we're going to talk about is using Facebook to be able to do this with. So we're talking about using a Facebook profile, your Facebook fan page or business page, and then ultimately moving those people into a Facebook group where you're actually going to be able to market to those people a little bit more effectively, because you're actually able to warm them up. And so these are the avenues in which you're going to be using to actually sell more of your affiliate products if done the right way. So that's step number 1, is to know your audience, and again, knowing their likes, their interests, their pains, their problems. So if you're actually knowing what it is that they're actually looking for, and you're finding them in that specific area, then you're going to be able to market to them much, much better, and they're going to be more receptive to the things that you're sharing with them. So building that audience around your niche, and those that are really hungry for what you have to offer, makes the difference of making sales or not making sales. And so that's an important process in this when you're putting your target market together or thinking of that audience that you want to build. Okay, so step number 2 is you want to engage that audience with good content. So you have to have good content in order to be able to build a relationship with them, to engage them, to get them to know, to like, to trust you, to answer their problems, and to solve their problems and answer their questions. Those are things that you want to be able to do. And so you're engaging that audience with them. Now, there's three types of posts that you should be doing on a regular basis to be able to do this. Now, I've actually created another video that talks about what those 3 posts are and how to use them. And one of these sides up here, there's going to be a card up there. You can actually go and watch that video if you want to see what those 3 posts are and how to actually be able to begin to use them to build that relationship with your audience. Their value posts, or engagement posts, or teaser posts. All 3 of those, if you're using them in conjunction, are going to help you to actually build that right relationship, to engage your audience, to get them to buy from you. And so another way to actually engage with your audience is by using videos. Facebook Lives are a great way to share content. Very similar to this type of video right here, where I'm giving value, I'm giving content, sharing, and answering some questions that can help somebody else to actually, get more leads, get more sales, through Facebook, and to use it as a process by which they can actually sell their affiliate products. And so that's a way that you want to do that. And video is a great way. If you're not using video, it needs to be on your marketing strategy for 2019, moving that direction, because video is huge. Facebook Lives are huge, or live video, whether it's on Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram. All of those platforms are moving towards a live video process, and they definitely give more preference to the live video. So that's another area that you want to be looking at when you're going into building that relationship with your audience, or engaging your audience. So step number 3 is to sell your audience. So okay, you've created this audience, you've now engaged this audience and warmed this audience up, and now obviously the whole goal of this is to sell to your audience. Okay, and you can use your affiliate link to be able to do that, but you want to be doing this in a correct manner. So you don't want to just be throwing out your affiliate links to them and say, hey, here's an image of my product, here's the link to it, go buy it. Because what's going to happen, you're going to turn people out, especially if you're bringing people into your group to warm them up, and you're constantly now giving them affiliate links to sell them something. Because like, again, those people will leave your group very, very quickly, and they're not going to hang around. So there are groups that are out there that you can actually go and you can spam your links and your products and your services, but the chances are getting any real business from that is going to be very, very slim. So as you're selling your audience, you want to remember to lead with value. Okay, if you're leading with value and you're answering those questions, solving those problems, and then you ask permission to be able to share your link with them before actually just posting it. So this is a key way, and that's what a teaser post is all about, because if you're using a teaser post, you're actually kind of invoking a little bit of mystery and getting those people intrigued in what you're doing and wanting to see and to know a little bit more about what you're doing. So in essence, when you're asking a question, hey, if you're looking for more leads and sales and signups for your business, then I've got this guide that's going to actually help you to be able to do that. And people go, yeah, that's what I want. Okay, great. Then what you can do is message them, either private message them or direct message them, and then send the link over there, because you're asking permission to actually give them the link. Because the chances are when you do that, they're more likely. All it is another little yes. So again, as we're getting our prospect to say yes one more time, you know, these little micro confirmations as we're building that relationship are ultimately going to get us closer to the big sale if we're using them the right way. So again, you want to lead with value. And you always want to ask permission before giving the link. Just don't give links out to people, especially if it's in your own personal Facebook group. So step number 4, and this is another important one, is you need to show up consistently or be consistent about building that relationship with your audience. Okay, so if you're just in there and you're just giving them spamming a link to them, you're not going to have an audience for very long. So none of this works unless you're constantly providing value, you're constantly building that relationship and engaging with your audience. So you want to be present in your marketplace. And if you're doing that, then you're going to see the results from that. And it doesn't happen overnight. You have to build those relationships. Again, we talk a lot about branding in this channel. And so as you're building your brand, okay, as you're beginning to market yourself, as you're building that KLT factor, the know, like, and trust factor, you know, more and more people are going to be attracted to you. This is all about attraction marketing. And if you're doing attraction marketing the right way, guess what? You're going to sell your affiliate products. You're going to get more leads. You're going to get more people signed up in your business. If you're not doing those things, guess what? It's not going to happen. So build your brand. You know, do it in the right way, and then consistently be in front of your people in providing value to them, and the results will come from that. So that's what you want to be doing. And then the 5th and final is kind of the bonus one that I was telling you about if you stick around, and that's the best way that I know to actually get more leads and to get actually people into your group. So I use this particular method to get people into the group, and then also while they're in my group to be able to give them more value. And that's by creating what we call would be a lead magnet or a free guide or a free video series. So if you're giving that kind of value away to somebody, the chances of them now, you know, if you're giving that value to them in their being able to use that to grow their business, to expand their knowledge base or whatever it is that they're looking for, and that value is coming from you. So the chances are when you now stick an affiliate link in front of them, they're going to say, man, I like what this guy's giving me. I want to find out more about this. And the chances of them buying are that much greater because of that. So you want to try that. If you're not using a lead magnet, if it's a free guide, a free giveaway, whether it be a checklist, a cheat sheet, a guide. So one of the ones I just kind of explained that I use, and it's a big one, and if you've seen some of my other videos, you know that I talk about this. One of my biggest platforms is Instagram. You know, I've got almost 40,000 followers on several different accounts over on Instagram, and what I use over there is an ebook that I created, How to Get Your First 10,000 Followers on Instagram. And so that's a free giveaway that I give to people, and it's 15 pages packed full of information on how they can grow their Instagram accounts, how they can set their bios up, how they can use that to begin to market and earn money on Instagram as well. So that's a free guide that I give away, and then I from there start building that relationship with them. So I'm giving them value right up front, and that's really helping them out, and that's been huge. So I actually use that, offer them that. I actually distribute that through Facebook Messenger. Okay, I'm using Facebook Messenger now as the platform that I'm actually delivering my content and seeing some great results from using Messenger. That's another strategy for another video that we'll be talking about more of going into 2019. So you'll really enjoy that. But that's one of the areas we're going to be focusing on. But another thing is that once I bring them in there, and then I actually take them into my group from that particular point there. So I'm actually bringing them off of Instagram and then into Facebook, my Facebook group, because it's just a better environment to actually build that relationship with them. So that's what we're doing there. So there's the 5 tips that you want to remember here is you want to build your audience, okay, build the right audience. You want to engage with that audience. You want to sell to that audience. You want to be consistent with your audience. And you want to use free giveaways or free value to actually enhance that relationship while you're building that group up and building that right relationship with the people that you're sharing and wanting to do business with. So listen, I hope you found some value in this. If you did, do me a favor. Give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you leave me a comment below which particular platform maybe that you're using. If it's Facebook, Instagram, YouTube that you're building your list with. If you have more questions about Facebook groups, leave it in the comments below. Also, if you know somebody that could actually use this to help them build their business, go ahead and share this video with them. So if you're interested in finding out more about Facebook groups, so this is what we're talking about here, is having that free giveaway. I've got a free giveaway for you right now, and this bonus kind of gift that I want to give to you, a good friend of mine has created it. We've been using it now and helping people to grow their businesses with it, but it's actually how to get more, it's a 7-step guide to getting more qualified leads using Facebook groups. And so if that's something that you're interested in, there's going to be a link below this video. You might see it on the screen right here, but in the description below, and you can pick up that guide, and it's going to help you, give you some more information about what we've been talking about here, but it's going to help you to build your business and also use it to share more of your affiliate links and put more money, passive income, into your pocket. So until the next video, have a great day, and I'll talk to you real soon. Bye now.